So let's use the scale factor to find the length of a side and find the proportion among two similar triangles. So we really have two different questions here. If the scale factor is 1.6 among the two similar triangles, what is the length of x and y? So we're being told that these two triangles are similar. So to find x, we can say that x equals 5 divided by the scale factor, or 1.6, which equals 3.125. Makes sense because this is a smaller triangle, so this side length should be smaller to this. Okay, in fact, it's 1.6 times smaller than this side. Same thing for y. Y equals 7 divided by the scale factor 1.6, which is 4.375. So y would equal 4.375. Just remember, if we were going the opposite way, though, we would say that we would multiply here. We would say that 5 times, or we would say, if this was 5 times 1.6 would give us the corresponding side, and 7, if this was 7, times 1.6 would give us the corresponding side. Okay, so let's look at the second problem. What is the proportion from the first to the second triangle? Well, here we have the corresponding sides here, right? If these are right triangles, we don't know for sure they are, but they kind of look like right triangles, so let's just assume they are right now. Usually you shouldn't, but right now we will. And let's call these the hypotenuses. So this hypotenuse of the smaller triangle is 2, the hypotenuse of the bigger triangle is 6, and this leg of the smaller triangle is 1, this leg is 3, so these are the corresponding legs, of course the corresponding hypotenuses. So we can either say 2 is to 6 as 1 is to 3, right? Because a proportion is just two ratios or more connected by an equal sign. Or we could say 2 is to 1 as 6 is to 3.